Hi, I'm Dr. Erica Latcher. One of the things that we see horses do on a relatively regular basis is get into something they shouldn't and get hives or welts as a result of that. Thinking like, ant beds, insect bites, something along those lines where they get really big welts that are itchy. First thing you can do is give a bath in dishwashing soap. We use dishwashing soap because it removes the oils that may be causing the irritation. The other thing you can do, simple and easy, is Epsom salt paste. Grab your favorite coffee cup, lovely spoon, and some Epsom salts. We're gonna make this into a paste, which we can apply to those areas. Little dab of water will do. You do not need much. And the result is Epsom salt paste that you can put onto the area that's affected. This will kind of sit on the hive, and what it does is pulls the swelling and the itch out of it and brings your horse pretty instant relief. I like to leave it on for at least a few hours before you can then brush or wipe it off, but it does a great job pulling swelling and itch out of any of the hives or welts. There is also Epsom salt paste that is made. It smells delicious, smells like spearmint. It's a great thing to have around for abscesses, all kinds of things on the foot, but you can also use that for hives or welts, and it's available in our Amazon storefront.